Hi everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Hana Dipakar Saragi with NPM 2157021012 from Biology Class B. Here I will convey information about tempe. Tempe is a traditional food that contains high nutrition. Indonesia is the largest tempe producer in the world and the largest soybean market in Asia. As much as 50% of soybean consumption in Indonesia is done in the form of tempe, 40% tofu, and 10% in other forms such as tauco, soy sauce, and others. Tempe contains various nutrient needs needed by the body such as protein, fat, carbohydrates, and minerals. However, lately the existing supply of soybean cannot meet the raw material of tempe processing industry. As a result, the price of tempe is in the market becomes expensive. Some time ago, the existence of this tempe become rare. For this reason, it is necessary to have an innovation in making tempe using other raw materials to meet the needs of the Indonesian people for a food called tempe. Tempe is one of the fermented soybeans which is quite well known in Indonesia as a daily food and is a traditional food. The soybean fermentation process by Rhizopus sp will improve the physical properties and chemical composition of soybeans. In addition to its good nutritional content, low price, and ease of obtaining it, tempe is an important food ingredient for the people of Indonesia. Soybean is an ingredient used to make tempe. Soybean scarcity often occurs in Indonesia. This problem can be overcome by using other materials as an alternative to making tempe. One of the efforts made is to optimize the potential of local beans as a substitute for soybeans. One of the legumes that have the potential as a substitute for soybeans is jute or Cajanus cajan. Jute or Cajanus cajan is a type of legume that is widely grown by the community as a local food ingredient. According of Carsono and Sumarno on 1989, the physical properties of jute are similar to soybeans, so that jute can be used as a substitute for several products derived from soybeans such as tempe, soy sauce, and several other mixed food ingredients. One of the characteristics of a good jute is that it is suitable for the growth of molds in the fermentation process. Based on the result of research, Deliani on 2008 found that the length of fermentation affect the levels of protein and fat. The longer of the fermentation, the lower the protein and fat content. A good fermentation time for making soybean-based tempe is 24 hours. Tempe is one of the foodstuffs that are easily contaminated by fungi, namely Rhizopus sp and Aspergillus sp. This fungus is easily to grow in a humid environment or at room temperature when the tempe is opened. Soy-based tempe, which is processed using a fermentation process with the help of a mold in the form Rhizopus sp. Aspergillus sp is the main species that contaminates food and is capable of producing toxic substances in the form of mycotoxins which can cause damage to food. Tempe is a soybean-based food or glycine max which is processed using a fermentation process with the help of molds in the form of Rhizopus oryzae, Rhizopus oligosporus, Rhizopus tolonifer, or Rhizopus arhizus. Rhizopus is an important mold in the food industry as a producer of various amylase, protease, pectinase, and lipase enzyme. According to the researchers, the growth of Aspergillus sp fungus on tempe stored for more than 1 day at room temperature was due to contamination by free air pollution in the market and an unsanitary environment, so the tempe stored for more than 1 day at room temperature grow Aspergillus sp, or because of the packaging method that allows this fungus to grow. According to the theory of Nugraha on 2007, tempe stored at room temperature can last for 1 day. Tempe damage is characterized by a change in the color of the mold mycelium, which is brown and causes an ammonious smell. Packaging or cell containers that are not good can cause mold to grow. Species of Aspergillus sp are known to be ubiquitous and almost grow on all substrates. Some of these species include pathogenic fungi, for example, those caused by Aspergillus sp called aspergillosis, some of which are saprophytic as are commonly found in foodstuff. Aspergillus niger has black colonies and has round vesicles and round conidia. According to the researchers, the growth of Aspergillus niger on tempe stored for more than 1 day at room temperature was due to contamination of free air in the market environment, causing Aspergillus niger to grow on tempe. In this video, I will do tempe cooking. First, prepare the tools and material used. Second, cut the tempe to the desired thickness. Third, cut tempe. Fourth, soak the tempe in a salt water solution. Fifth, pour oil into the pan, then turn on the fire. When the oil is hot, fry the tempe slowly. Then flip the tempe so that it cooks evenly. If it's cooked, remove the tempe and drain. Then the tempe is all ready to be enjoyed. That's all I can say, more or less sorry. Thank you.